morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now in this class, we are going to see the fourth problem from 6th lesson. Let's enjoy the class. Okay. A rectangular loop of side 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Okay. So let us consider a rectangular loop of side 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter with a small cut is moving out of a region of uniform magnetic field of magnetic B equal to 0.3 Tesla. Okay. Directed normal to the loop. What is the EMF developed across the cut if the velocity of the loop is 1 centimeter per second? So, velocity equal to 1 centimeter per second. Now, convert the centimeter into meter. So, it is multiplied by, so 10 to the power minus 2. So, it meter per second. Okay. A longer side and a shorter side of loop. For how long does the induced voltage last in each case? Okay. Now, I am applying the force normal to the longer side. So, what about the EMF developed? So, EMF E equal to BLB. Okay. So, B. So, what is B? 0.3 into L. Okay. Now, what about the length? 8 centimeter. So, 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 into velocity. That is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. So, 8 3s are 24. How many decimal point? 1. So, 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus 4. This much of EMF. So, we can take 2.4 into 10 to the power 4 volt. Okay. Next one, how long? So, we are going to calculate the time taken. So, velocity equal to displacement by time. Okay. So, the division time comes to this as multiplication. So, time equal to displacement by velocity. So, when the normal force is along the 8 centimeter or longer side, so the displacement is taken only in the shorter side. So, what about the displacement? 2. So, 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by velocity. So, what is the velocity? 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So, minus 2 getting cancelled. 2 by 1, 2. So, 2 seconds. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts. Okay. Now, the second one. So, when the force is moving normal to the shorter side. So, the length becomes 2 centimeter. So, the EMF equal to BLB. Okay. So, what is B? 0.3. Okay. Now, what about the length? The smaller side. So, 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into velocity. 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So, 2 3s are 6. How many decimal point? 1 decimal point. So, it becomes 0.6. So, minus 2, it becomes minus 4. So, what we calculated? EMF. So, what is the unit of EMF? Volt. Okay. Next, we have to calculate the time taken. Okay. So, velocity equal to displacement by time. So, time equal to displacement by velocity. Okay. So, when we are applying the force, normal, so that the longer side will move. Okay. So, now what about the displacement? 8 centimeter. So, 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by velocity is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So, minus 2 getting cancelled. So, 8 by 1, 8. So, time taken is 8 seconds. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts.